Hi guys, welcome to TradeView. If you are new to my channel, subscribe and like my videos. So I am posting the post-market report and pre-market levels for Bank Nifty and Nifty. So if you are not following my channel, please follow my channel and watch my old videos. Okay. So coming to the point, today is the expiry day. So I posted a pre-market video yesterday on Bank Nifty. If you're not watched, please watch that video and come back. Okay. So as I said, normally like for today expiry day, so don't trade on first off. Okay. So wait for the right setup and then enter for the trading. Correct. If you cannot watch, you can watch my pre-market video. What I said. Okay. As I said, see, the morning there is a huge green candle. So if anyone go for long, then it will hit all stop losses here. Correct. So that's what you want to wait for the clear trend. Okay. So as I said, only long position after taken here from the support, then go for long. Correct. But it's not happen. So leave that one. For short position, I have said like we need to wait to take resistance from here and go for short. Correct. If taken support, you can go for long here also, right? That only I say. Okay. So at morning, it never happened, correct? And also I said morning you don't want to trade anything. It will be zigzag movements only. Okay, market will be on sideways kind of, and also expiry day. So theta decay will be there. For option buyers, it will be more difficult. Okay, as I said, on the second off, we need to trade on expiry days. So see, as like I showed in the screen, after taken resistance, you need to go for short. Correct. See here what happened. After it is breaking this level and waiting for the resistance and taken resistance from here. Correct. And see market reach this level. Okay, correct. So whatever I showed you yesterday on pre-market, if you waited on the second half, see after 1 o'clock, it was broken and taken resistance from here with a good red candle. Correct. So if you taken the short position, it will reach at least 80 or 90% here. You can close this position or you can trial the stop loss. You can wait up to reach like at the end of the day around 320 itself. It is reached this position. You can close your position. But what is the issue? For option buyers, there is a theta decay will be there. So market return from here, correct? It is written. Sometimes it will be on sideways. It will complete the day with the sideways, and also theta decay will happen. So you don't want like there is no that much movement in price. Okay. Other days you can wait and get this target done. Okay. Anyways, it is complete this target, but only on expiry days. Please make sure after 80 percentage to like follow the trailing stop loss. Correct. So anyway, market completed around 80-90 percentage here with the without any hitting stop losses. Correct. So as whatever I said, the right levels has been responded in the market, and you can go for the short position from here. Okay. So that's it. If you wait, it will be hit your profit perfectly here. Okay. Only I'm suggesting on expiry days for option buyers, you can try your stop loss. That will be protect your positions. Okay. For option sellers, you can able to wait and get the good profits at the end of the day. Okay. So as per our analysis, it was responded perfectly based on the price actions. Okay. Let me know your comments. How my levels are working. How would your trading is going on. Whether you have analyzed on my levels, have you taken any positions today? Okay, let me know your feedbacks and suggestions so that I can post you more videos on many topics on upcoming days. Okay, so this is a post market video. That's it for the day for Bank Nifty. Okay, and always I'm advising you without stop loss, don't trade and trade in Nifty or Bank Nifty, whatever the stocks. Okay, normally if you come to the trading, if you're executing the price, uh, don't enter without stop losses. Okay, because whatever can happen. So if the candle coming with the huge volume, then it will hit all stop losses like this. Okay, then you will end up with the huge losses. Okay, so always follow the stop loss and trailing your stop loss after 80 percentage. Okay, So that's it, guys. We'll see you on next video on pre market analysis for tomorrow. Okay. Thank you.